If you want to make a photo black and white in Photopea, the best method is to use an adjustable adjustment layer so you can keep full control over the result. That way, your original image stays untouched, and you can always go back and fine-tune the look later. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most flexible way to do it step by step. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure your image is already on the canvas. On the right side, look for the Layers panel. If you don't see it, you can enable it from the Window menu, but in most cases it should already be visible. At the bottom of the Layers panel, you'll see a small icon that looks like a circle split diagonally into black and white. That is the New Adjustment Layer button. Click it and a menu will appear with different adjustment options. From that list, choose Black and White. As soon as you select it, Photopea will create a new adjustment layer above your image, and your photo will instantly turn black and white. The great thing about this method is that it is completely non-destructive. Your original color photo is still safely stored underneath, untouched and editable. Now, once the black and white adjustment layer is added, a Properties panel will open, usually in the top right area. This is where the real control happens. You'll see sliders for different color ranges, including red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta. These sliders let you decide how each color is converted into grayscale. For example, if your image has a blue sky, dragging the blue slider to the left will make those blue areas darker, which can create a deeper, more dramatic look. If you want red tones to stand out more, you can drag the red slider to the right to brighten those areas. The same idea applies to all the other sliders. By adjusting them, you can shape the contrast and mood of the final black and white photo instead of just accepting a default conversion. This is especially useful for portraits, landscapes, product shots, or any image where you want more control over the final result. If the image starts to look too flat, try bringing some sliders up and others down until you find a balanced look. A little movement can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to experiment. And because this is an adjustment layer, you can always come back later and change the settings again. Just double-click the black and white adjustment layer, and the Properties panel will reopen so you can fine-tune everything at any time. That flexibility is exactly why this is the best method if you want a clean, professional black and white effect in Photopea. So to quickly recap, add a black and white adjustment layer from the Layers panel, use the color sliders to shape the conversion, and keep everything editable for later changes. It's simple, fast, and completely non-destructive. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.